because then you fit into the market all over.
Yep.
But I'm sure that also affect your design cycle in
Mm.
the overall look. Um, I want to chat about learnings because again, talking to you, as you just said, right, talking to customers, you're learning, of course, from them. But how do you stay up to date within the industry?
Oh boy, that's a good question. I feel like I could be much more methodical about it. But I would say if I try to give some like practical advice or thoughts that maybe listeners can take away, I'm sure they do the same thing I do, which is I sign up for tons and tons of email newsletters,
Yeah.
and which is funny because like 3 or 4 years ago, I would have said that email newsletters were dying, but now I'm on some very, very high quality newsletters that I really enjoy reading.
Yeah.
So that's been effective. I'm a member of a bunch of LinkedIn groups, and I go to lots of events. And even the events that I don't go to, I always make sure to look at the schedule, the speakers, the panels to
Yeah.
understand, is ESG a panel of discussion? Or most interestingly, in the US recently, there are still panels that would have been called ESG, but now that phrase has been removed,
Ah,
and now it's not ESG, but the context is the same because ESG apparently has become somewhat political. So um, I think that's the best thing
yeah.
that I know how to do. But I perpetually feel FOMO.